When we were a child, we had always imagined monsters with ugly faces like this. But are we really correct of judging them according to how they looks? How can we say it is a monster? Does it really exist? For so long, the answer to these questions are not something I was ever able to dream in. But I guess I have now an answer. It is pretty simple, actually. Let me connect the dots for you. The world is terrible, right? Whose world is this? Ours. And if it is terrible, it is only because we have made it so. Throughout the ages, human civilizations have been primarily motivated by both violence and greed. Having fought countless wars, colonized lands that were inhabited by other people, treated those inhabitants as second class, sold them into slavery, or just slaughtered them. Humanity in the future is an evil empire, characterized by a vast military complex with goals typically involving colonizing planets and galaxies, where other alien races are already living, with plans to extract any minerals and resources present in there for all their worth. Even if aliens will come to Earth in peace, but humanity will still find ways to take advantage of them in an effort to acquire and learn about their technology for humanity's own gain. We are the real monsters. It can't be seen by how we looks. It can be shown on what we did.